Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I created this soft and dewy nude pink makeup look. So let's begin. So to start off with priming my face, I will be using this Lotus Ecostay primer, and this is a silicone based primer. I will be applying it all over my face, especially on my T-zone, and massage it all over my skin for that smooth base. Next up, I'm going to move on to foundation, and for foundation I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 150 Radiant Beige. I'm taking 2.5 pumps of this foundation, and then with this foundation brush by PAC, I will be blending out this foundation all over my face. Don't worry, all the details related to the products I'm using in this video will be in the description box below, so please do check it out. Yeah, so I am generously spreading this foundation out all over my face, and then I'll be moving on to concealing, for which I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 03, and I'm going to apply it on my under eyes as well as around my mouth area where I have a slight amount of pigmentation, so as to cover it up. Then I'm using this PAC concealer brush in order to spread this out and blend it out on my face, post which I'm going to set all of this Tam Jam, that is my foundation as well as concealer, using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 20. For my eye area, I'm using the same concealer brush, and then for the rest of the face, I'm using this fluffy powder brush by PAC again. PAC brushes are to die for. If you all do have the budget, please do purchase them. Next up, I'm using this Makeup Revolution X Tammy eyeshadow palette, and from that I'm taking this pinky, like rosy pink kind of a shade, and what I'm gonna do is, with a flat fluffy brush, I am going to draw a semicircle around my lid and fill up that semicircle with the same shade, post which I'm taking this tapered fluffy brush and I'll blend out the edges of this rosy pink shade with the help of a beige color. This will help in smoothing out all the edges and it will look seamlessly blended. After this, I'm going to be taking this pinky, like you can say it's a very nice blend between silver and pink. Yeah, so I'm taking that shimmery shade and I'm going to apply it in the inner lid of my eye using a flat shader brush. And then finally for my lower lash line, I'm using the two shades which I applied on my lid, which is the rosy pink shade as well as the brown shade, and use this lower lash line brush to smudge it on my lower lash line. I said lower lash line so many times. Anyway, I just realized that I had forgotten to do my brows, so I took this Maybelline eyebrow retractable pencil and I'm filling in my brows. I don't really need a lot of brow work to be done because I have good growth on my brow area, touch wood. Next up, I'm taking this curler, which you can see, and I'm going to curl up my lashes. I don't like using false lashes, so I do whatever I can with my natural lashes. So I'm curling up my lashes and using the Maybelline Temptation waterproof mascara. I'm applying it generously on my top and bottom lashes. This gives such a nice oomph to the look. Next up, I'm taking this Maybelline tattoo eyeliner and I'm going to draw a very thin line on my upper lash line, like very thin, just to make the thing look a little cohesive and put together. You see the effect that it's giving? I mean, without the eyeliner it was looking very blah, but with that it just became much better. Next up, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Dulce Leche contour plus highlighting palette, and with the help of a contouring brush, I'm contouring my cheekbones. This product blends in like butter, guys. It just blends in like butter. Next, taking up this Maybelline Fit Me blush, I am going to be applying it on the top of my cheeks. to give that flush of color. And for that I'm using the same brush that I had used for powdering my face, the same fluffy powder brush. Next up, I'm using my favorite highlighter, the PAC Baked Highlighter in the shade 02, using a generic fan brush. And look at that glow. Just look at that glow. I mean, highlighters instantly lift up my mood. See that smile? Anyway, next up, taking this Sugar Vivid Matte Lipstick in the shade Twilight Rose and applying it all over my lips, and that completes the look. After this, you will see me flaunting a lot, but I would like to have a moment with you guys and speak to you all about something. I know I'm making a comeback on YouTube after a really long time. I mean, no excuses, absolutely no excuses, because it was absolutely done by choice. Because for a few months I did prioritize some other things in my life which of course needed the priority, and I did not want to compromise on those things. The fact is, I'm pursuing a master's degree and it requires quite a significant amount of time from my side. Now that I'm 1 year into my master's and somehow have got a hang of my schedule, I am able to now figure out how I can shoot, edit and upload on YouTube. So yes, do not worry. Now onwards, at least one video per week I will be uploading no matter what. And I really love doing YouTube. I really love creating content. I really love doing makeup. Makeup is it's like the most soothing therapy for me. So I could do anything to fit in makeup in my schedule. It's not like I lost touch with makeup, but yes, I wasn't recording and editing because I didn't have the time. Anyway, I'll see you once a week every time now onwards, and till the next time, bye.